Bonjour, my dear friends. Today I am so happy to share with you my favorite recipe for real French onion soup, with a little twist just like I make it in my own kitchen. First, you need to be patient and you need onions. Lots of onions. I slice 6 big yellow onions very thin and let them cook down slowly in butter over low heat. Don't rush this part. Let them turn golden brown, sweet and all soft. You want that deep, rich color and the yummy smell that will fill your whole house. Once my onions are just right, I sprinkle in a little bit of flour and stir it all around. This makes the soup a little thicker, just a tiny bit. Now pour in some good beef broth. If you make it yourself, that's the best. But the kind from the store is okay too, if you need to use it. Add a little bit of dry white wine for that extra French touch, and a bay leaf, maybe a little thyme. Let everything cook gently, slowly, for at least 20 minutes. You want it to just bubble a tiny bit. Now let's talk about my little secret. Sometimes I add a tiny bit of cognac right before I serve it. It gives it a wonderful deep flavor. So French, so fancy. Of course, no French onion soup is really done without the cheesy top, the gratinée. I toast some slices of French bread, rub them with garlic, then I put them on top of the soup and cover them with lots of Gruyère cheese. Then it goes under the broiler in your oven until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Serve it hot, with a little extra cheese on the side if you like. The taste is so comforting. Sweet onions, rich soup, melty cheese, and that special little French touch. Merci for joining me in my kitchen. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Global Family Cookbook. Thank you for watching and see you soon, my friends.